Alright, we came back from the second stop. This nigga got him a to-go plate.
I couldn't fit it. I'm sleeping.
Look at him. Talking about cheat day.
Man, it is a cheat day, nigga.
Didn't I tell y'all he was gonna tap out?
Them fucking wings was hot as fuck, man. You even felt them fucking wings, man. Them shits had me sweating.
What about the
man.
fries? The fries weren't hot.
But the wings kind of fucked it up for my fries, man. I didn't even want to go to this motherfucker, really. And then they made me look like a goddamn fool in there.
Oh yeah, y'all gonna see it. Shit.
No, y'all ain't gonna see that shit.
Bro,
no,
they gotta see it.
They ain't finna. I thought you said you deleted it, nigga. This fucked up, man.
I did. I got a picture though.
Goddamn, bitch, that's fucked up, man. What they did to me, man. I'm thinking it's supposed to be. She told me. She said, "We got a special treatment for you since it's your birthday."
Bitch gonna get hit.
I'm thinking it's gonna be butt naked bitches just coming to the table, nigga, dropping it low, popping it for a nigga. I'm gonna have to.
Am I going the right way?
Nope, you don't look like it. But I thought I was just finna get it all, man. Gonna tell me to put the cup in my mouth. She said, put it in your mouth. I'm like, huh?
Not one.
Two. She said, put them in your mouth. I was like, bitch, come on. I don't even know your name like that. You putting shit in my mouth like that.
I said, this nigga.
And then they just started dancing and like clapping their hands and told me to put some fucking menus in my hand and shit. Look, if it's your birthday and you finna go to Hooters, don't tell them hoes it's your birthday because they gonna make you look like a goddamn fool, alright? If you ain't never been to Hooters and you just don't do this shit. I don't recommend that shit at all.
If you the homeboy, tell me it's your homeboy birthday, you gonna get a good ass laugh.
Good laugh. Real good laugh. But other than that, don't tell them that shit. So, yeah, we just left this bitch. What we got next, man? I was crying in the car. Look, all I gotta say is you ain't no real nigga if you ain't tear up in that park. That was the realest part of it.
I told you like,
I got a mosquito in my mouth.
that movie came out.